After party, man.
I don't even have my earrings.
No, I don't want to see you with the earrings. I just like you, love you like this. That's it.
Okay.
Congratulations for reaching
Thank
200k,
you so
babe.
much.
That was a successful party, right?
It was. I really thank everyone who came through. I didn't think it would be that successful. I didn't think so many people would show up, but thank God.
Yeah. So what are you gonna tell all the people that showed up?
I love you so much. Keep working hard and nothing is impossible.
And what about the people who did not show up?